Yo, what's up? Zwiri say, diri Zuribo, kuno. I did not go on a good Shishona, but it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Disatauri, Disataure. So obviously some of the words they disappeared. But if I hear something like this, nothing you can talk about that I won't understand you if you're speaking in Shona. You know what I mean? So today I'm reacting to one of my favorite artists to come out of Zimbabwe, Trevor Dongo. Obviously, this guy's been in the music industry for a very long time out there in Zim, so it's inevitable. Wow, look at me using big words. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Let's go. That's beautiful. Where's that? Is that in No. I don't know.
Trevor we quite Dongo I know what you want is me. Asipano unaona uti andidi kutamane moyo wako. I will hurt your feelings too. Chimira ipapo. Don't take another step. Takambozviedza.
It has like Brazil vibe, right?
Takambozviedza. Ndichiperekedza vamwe. Ona misha yamira. Ona dzimba dzavo. Ona misha yamira. Ona dzimba dzavo. Zvimwe rudo harusi rwangu. Andichada nemoyo wangu. I'm trusting only my vangu. She's the one who won't betray me. I'm gonna take my heart and hide it away. I'm gonna take my heart and hide it away. Takambozviedza ndikashungurudzwa moyo. Ndakaramba ndichienda ndichiperekedza vamwe. Ona misha yamira. Ona dzimba dzavo. Ona misha yamira. Ona dzimba dzavo.
I'm too invested in this video. I'm like, I just want to see where this is at. Shoosh. Can we just talk about the fashion of this guy, man? Like, how old is this guy now? Probably started singing when he was like early teen. Maybe he's in his 30s. Whoa, okay. I need to do something with him. Because what I love wear and what I'm comfortable in is, just hoodies and t-shirts. This is beautiful music, man.
Ndakaramba ndichienda ndichiperekedza vamwe. Ona misha yamira. Ona dzimba dzavo. Ona misha yamira.
So basically he has been heartbroken and he does not trust anybody, and I think like he's saying, look at their homes, look at their houses, families. Some people have families or something. This, yeah, like I know I said you're not gonna go to, but in a song there are some things you won't understand. But yeah, I think I'm getting the picture of it. It's like, I'd rather be alone or something, right? Am I right? I just want to know where this video was shot. That's a beautiful place. Let me see something. I had to say that that looks like Mozambique. If I'm being honest, that looks like Maputo, man. Am I like I've been there? So I think I remember something like that, and there was like a cathedral close by. I don't know. Yeah. Let me see something. He's too smart as well. Didn't put like things that will give away. I'm trying to find something. Okay. Anyway, I can do that on my own time. I just realized that this video has been going far too longer than it was supposed to be. Thank you so much for checking this out. Please go check out Trevor Dongo, you guys. If you are like not familiar with the Zimbabwe music scene, you need to check out Trevor Dongo's YouTube page, because like the videos like that, man, and the music is just so beautiful. I know, like you say, I say this because I understand Tswana, but I'm limited. It's just the music is different. Okay, so yeah, what time is it? Wow, it's very late. Thank you so much for checking this out. Yeah, I gotta go. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.